Hi, Bob at Fairfax Coffee. I'm today at the JURA headquarters to show you the JURA XS95. This is the entry price point commercial machine, very, very popular with our customers because it's so simple to operate. Let me just show you. Nice big bean hopper, this one takes 500 grams. The water tank takes 5 litres, and you can have the optional plumbing kit fitted if you wish. As far as the drink preparation is concerned, very easy to program this machine, and it delivers a number of coffee choices and a number of milk coffee choices. So let's have a look first of all just simply at the coffee choice, the espresso drink. We've got to move the coffee delivery mechanism up and down is quite good if we want to make long black coffee in glasses, so we can actually raise it right up there, you see, so we can get a taller glass. We don't need that for this espresso. All I've got to do is press a button. It grinds the beans. The JURA system infuses the beans with water and then pushes the water through to make the espresso. Really easy and quick. A lot of offices quite like this sort of machine because it's very simple to operate and it's simple for the owners to actually maintain it. Yet the quality of the drink is definitely coffee bar standard. A lovely espresso there, really deep crema. I'll leave that on the side so you can see it. And if you want to have a longer coffee, then a lot of people actually like the idea of having what they call a long black, which is actually really an extended espresso drink. So I've set this up to produce a longer drink. It's doing basically the same as the espresso, but it does more and longer. But the drink that it produces is very, very tasty. On the other side of the machine, we have the milk delivery system, and I'm going to show you when this drink is finished how that works as well, and make you some really delicious looking cappuccinos and lattes, so you can see how easy it really is to do. Cleaning on this machine is very simple, and if you've got the job of actually keeping it clean at the end of every day, you've got a 5-minute job and you're done. So here is the long coffee now being produced in the machine. I'm just going to show you because it's really quite important to show you the quality of the crema on top of that coffee. So you could add a little bit of milk if you wanted, or just drink it as a black coffee. It really is delicious. Okay, so let's have a look at some of these milk drinks I was talking about. The first one that I'm going to make is a cappuccino. So here I take my standard cappuccino cup, press a button, one touch, go away, do something else while this is all going on, and it's making the cappuccino for me. That's another big advantage if you're living in a commercial environment, because whether you're running an office or whether you're running a coffee bar, you don't really have to want to keep watching the machine every 2 minutes. So with this you don't have to. So first of all it's delivering the milk. There it is, the milk's been delivered, and now it's going to put the coffee into the cup. The ideal user of this machine probably makes 50 cups of coffee a day, or up to 50 cups of coffee a day, although you can do more, but it's really ideal, and I would say that between 50 and 100 is probably the sort of optimum that you can do. There's our lovely cappuccino. Looks really great. I'm going to leave that on the side because what I really want to show you, the next drink, is called a latte macchiato. Latte macchiato is a latte drink. It uses the technique of delivering the milk and then letting the milk settle in the glass, then delivering the coffee to create a layered drink. So why don't I just do that, and I simply press a button. While we're doing that, our previous customers drinking this lovely hot cappuccino. Really does work very well. We can vary the thickness of the milk with this device here, and at the end of the day we just remove that for cleaning and washing through. So absolutely minimal maintenance is the mark for this machine. Now here's the pause. I've set this to pause at 20 seconds so that we've got a really solid base of milk for the espresso to pour onto to create the layered drink. We can also use the machine just to get hot water for tea. There's a little hot water spout on the side here. One of the other buttons does that. And we can also use the machine just to get milk. So if, for example, somebody wants hot chocolate, then they can just take foamed milk from the machine, put the chocolate powder in, and it produces produces a very nice sort of hot chocolate drink. Because when we produce the espresso, you'll notice there were no drips after the production of the espresso, and all of the soggy grounds get retained inside the machine. The machine will tell you when to empty them, and it will tell you when to empty the drip tray, which catches the sogginess from the coffee grounds. This is the pièce de résistance, the latte macchiato. So you've got a nice choice of drinks that this machine offers at a great budget price. The fridge that's on the side of the machine there is a JURA cool control. It's electrically operated, holds 2 litres of milk, and is very convenient extra and very good value. We can also, because we've got one hopper on the top of the machine, we might want to have another coffee. You can use this for ground coffee as well. Just spoon ground coffee, let's say, if, for example, it's decaf coffee, spoon it into there, close it, and then press any one of the buttons you've already seen, and it'll use the pre-ground coffee for producing the drink. So the JURA XS95, very popular. I recommend that you try it. Please contact us, Fairfax Coffee. We're an authorised JURA dealer, or contact JURA themselves for any further information that you'd like to have.